Welcome to Chapter 7, Word Problem. We're going to talk about system of linear equations and also learn a little bit of culture about Japanese. And we have a word called Kirigami. And if we write in Japanese, it's Kirigami. Kirigami. And in Chinese, we say 剪纸. So it's about a paper. This word is paper. And this 剪 means to cut. Use scissors to cut. And this word is also cut. One is Japanese, one is Chinese. And it talks about art. You fold the paper and then you design the pattern and then you cut it. You can use it to put on the window, decorate the walls, and make cards. It's really pretty if you're interested. And please search Japanese Kirigami or Chinese 剪纸. Alright, the student sells small and large greeting cards decorated with kirigami. Small card, let's call small card, let small card be S. Small cards, we call it S. And therefore, we're going to call large cards, we're going to call it L. Small cards cost $3 each and large cards cost $5 each. And total sale, we sold $95 for selling the cards. And we sell 25 cards. The question asks us, how many each cards? How many do I sell for small cards and large cards? Alright, we do know when we put these two kinds of cards together, we have 25. Therefore, we say small plus large is 25. Okay? And we also know small cards sale and large cards sale, we got $95. We go back to here, small cards is $3 each. Therefore, we say 3 times S. Large cards is $5 each. Therefore, we have 5L. Now, we got a system of linear equations. Let's solve it. There are different ways to solve it. You can use substitution. Substitution means we can find what S. Oh, excuse me. This color always get rid of the original writing. So you can write down S is 25 minus L, and then you plug in here, and you start to solve. You can also say L is 25 minus S, and then you plug in here. You can start to solve it. Now, today we're going to use a different method. We call it elimination. Okay, so first you're going to decide, are you going to eliminate the variable S or are you going to eliminate the variable L? And once you made the decision, we can start to do elimination. I will only demonstrate one of that because the other one going to be exactly the same. So I'm going to demonstrate I want to eliminate L. Okay, if I want to eliminate L and I come back to look at my equation A, equation B. I come back to look at equation A. I'm going to times 5. Times 5. And this one also times 5. So in this way, I created a equivalent equation of the original equation A. Now, I'm going to write down the new one. The new one says 5S plus 5L equals 5 times 25 is 125. That's my new one. Then I'm going to copy down. My original one is 3S plus 5L equals 95. Remember, we want to eliminate the variable L. Okay? Therefore, I'm going to subtract it. I'm going to subtract this second equation. Alright, I'm going to do some sign change. Subtract minus 3S minus 5L and put a long bar here. We're going to cancel out these two because these two are opposite. Positive, negative, cancel it out. Then we have 5 minus 3, that's 2S equals 125 minus 95. That gives us 30. Divided by 2, each side. S is 15. Early we said that S is small cards. So small cards, we sold 15. Once we found the small cards sold 15, remember total we sold 25. So 25 minus 15, that is 10. 10 is a large cards. Alright, we just found out how many of each type of card did the student sell. Happy learning!